If you don't have the SIM eject tool, but you want to open the SIM tray on the Xiaomi 15T, which we have of course over here at the bottom, what you can do is you can use pretty much any other tool that is small enough so that you can actually fit it into this hole over here, and sturdy enough so that it doesn't break when we use a little bit of pressure to eject the SIM tray. So in my case, I do have the eject tool, of course, but you can try to get the general idea of what your tool might look like in order to eject the SIM tray. So let me give you some examples of what you can use. You can use, for example, the paper clip. You can unbend a small paper clip and use the pointed end to push it into this SIM tray hole that we have over here. A small stud earring with a thin post can fit into the hole as well. So if you have like a earring or piercing jewelry, it might be come in handy in this case. Besides that, we can use, for example, a safety pin. Like a thin safety pin can be used to press it into this eject hole over here. A mechanical pencil, if the lead is retracted, then the metal tip of a mechanical pencil may work. And also a sturdy toothpick, preferably a plastic one, should be helpful if inserted carefully. So once you have your tool, what you can do is simply put it into this hole over here, and then use a little bit of force in order to push out the SIM tray. There we go. And then use your fingernails in order to remove it from the phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.